When the United States put a man on the moon, they needed several things to accomplish the task. They needed the best of the best in personnel. They needed innovation, creativity, and problem solving. They needed the drive to accomplish the goal of the mission. That almost sounds like your business. You've found the best personnel, you've innovated and used creative problem solving, and you have the drive to accomplish the goals of your mission. But there was one thing that NASA had in addition to all of the above. They had a command center. At Megatech Arabia, we're in the business of making sure you have everything you need to reach your goals, and we think one of those items could be a command center. Whether you're a part of a large business organization, a public utility, a university, or government agency or other, you might need the ability to oversee complex networking environments. Megatech Arabia provides turnkey solutions that work perfectly for your trip to the moon operation. This might include large display walls, technical consoles, furniture, KVM and HDMI switching, or even UPS, video conference, and more. Regardless of what you need, Megatech Arabia is here to help customize, plan, and implement your perfect command center to accomplish your goals. You have everything you need. Now, just start the countdown. 3, 2, 1, ignition. Visit us at www.megatecharabia.com today.